N5D says, when you sell Baby Doge, do you sell it for cash or trade it for BNB and sit on it till your next trade? So when I sell Baby Doge, when I trade it, I go from Baby Doge to USDT. So I don't go to BNB. I go directly to USDT. So yeah, I'll trade it directly from Baby Doge to USDT because then I can hold it and pretty much USDT is pegged to the dollar, so it's not going to fluctuate. And I just keep my money right there like that, and then I wait for the next trading opportunity. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm just waiting till the next opportunity to trade this because I know it's going to pull back like it's doing right now. It's only a matter of time, and that's why I like trading Baby Doge because I just understand how it moves because I've been trading it for so long. So I'm waiting for this. I believe it's about to go down to 1822.80 to 1822.90, somewhere around there. So I'll probably end up buying around 1822.90. Let's see how much I would have. 1822.90. Okay, so I would have made about almost a 1 billion Baby Doge off it once it goes to 22.90. Not 1 billion, almost 100 billion. But yeah, I'm confident that it's gonna continue to go down a little bit more. Call Supreme, do you think XRP will grow? I have been holding for 3 years, but I don't want to sell. If this thing is going to go markers with the new ETFs. Good question. I don't know. I've never been a big fan of XRP, to be honest. I've never been a big fan of it. I honestly think it's played out. I mean, with the whole court case after they won it, like, it was just like, all right. Like the court case gave people a reason to actually like it and actually want to know what's going on with it. But then after that court case, it was just, it was just plain. I don't know. XRP team, it seems all right. It seems decent. GL Clothing, if your personal opinion of doing this trades, what are the peak hours when you have to be awake or ready to make that buy or sell? Or do you have something that notifies your phone? Actually, I don't have anything that notifies my phone, and I always miss the peak hours every single time. So I'm not the best structured trader. I literally miss the peak hours almost every single time. But there are times when I look at it and I just get it. Like I just because earlier today I woke up at 10 a.m. All right, let's show you how I did the trade today. I just do it when I wake up because I don't want to be too stressed about it. So I did this trade when I woke up. I woke up at 10 a.m. That is right here at 8Z2240. So I woke up. It was at 8Z2240. I could have got in when it went all the way down here, but it was only down there for like a split second. So I probably wouldn't have been able to get in anyway. So I could have got in at about 8Z2220. But I woke up at 10 a.m. and I got in at 8Z2240. So I just let it go up, went out, got some food, got some Panda Express. So yeah, I got some food and then sat down, watched some YouTube, made a video, edited a video. And then after that video, I checked it. Like I wasn't even paying attention to it the whole time. And then I checked it at about 2 p.m. And then it was at 8Z2240. And then I sold it. And if it would have went down, I would have kept holding it and holding it. So the way I trade, I like to trade things to where if the trade goes bad, I can continue to hold it and be confident that eventually I'm going to make my money back. That's why I like Baby Doge because I know the prices. I know what prices Baby Doge likes to trade at. I know what prices where it probably won't go below. And I know eventually it is going to go back up. So what I do, like, I won't buy Baby Doge at 8Z2400 because I don't know when it's going to go back above 8Z2400. but I will buy it at AT 2240. I will buy it at AT 2230, right? I will not buy it at AT 2700 because I don't know when it's gonna go back to that price. That's like how it was back there. So there's a method to the madness. It's the same way I do it in the stock market when I'm doing call options and puts. When I'm buying calls and puts, I don't sell calls and puts. I only buy calls and puts. But when I buy calls and puts, what I pretty much do, I find a stock and I put the strike option date about 2 years out, and I go to a stock that I know will reach this price within 2 years. And if I don't make money on it within the first day, then I'll hold it for another day. And then if I don't make it, and then that next day, I'll hold it for a week, and then I'll keep holding it because I put the strike day out to 2 years. So I put that expiration day out for into 2 years, and I put the price about $10 above what it's already at for a call option. So I bought the call option and I put the price literally 2 years out, the expiration date 2 years out, and the price is only $10 above what it is. So it's 100% going to go up by $10 within 2 years. Like let's say one that I really like to trade, a stock. Um what was I trading last? I think I was trading Reddit. No. I can't remember what I was trading. But whatever I was trading, I knew it was gonna go up eventually. And it ended up going up like the next day, and then I sold it, even though I put the expiration date 2 years out. So yeah, I don't sit there and watch charts all day, but I have a general understanding on when things will do what they do, because I don't need to get the exact bottom. I don't need to buy in at the exact bottom, and I don't need to sell at the exact top to make money. I only need a short window of time to make money. Like this was such a short window of time, but I could have still made money had I woke up at 2 p.m. I still could have made money. I could have bought here at 2 p.m., woke up at 2 p.m., and then sold it at like 4 or 5 p.m., right? Like 4 or 6 p.m. I could have sold it. But instead, I woke up at 10 a.m., sold at 2 p.m. So yeah. So now I'm just waiting on the next opportunity. Just waiting. But yeah, like I said, it is going to keep going down. It might stop here at the equilibrium price point. It did it right here. That was also a huge point for resistance for us. So that's going to turn into our support. So it might stop. It might stop right there at 2370. So I'm going to be watching that because it just might stop in that area. But yeah, actually, a good peak hours for trades early in the mornings. So for some reason, early in the mornings with crypto, from 8 p.m. to about 4 p.m., you get the most movements. But then after that, not much. So it's the same time as the stock market. So stock market is from like 9 to 4, but with crypto, anywhere from 8 to 4, you're gonna get your most movements. That's why you see the second 8 o'clock came by, you see a huge sell followed by a huge buy, and then once 4 p.m. kind of crossed, you kind of see it start to move slower. So yeah, from 8 p.m. to 4 p.m. If I were to actually, I would say if I were to care, but if I were to be like more of a structured trader, I would do it like that. But right now, I'm just kind of doing it how I do it. Woke up at 10 a.m. No problem. I immediately woke up, did what I had to do, looked at the charts, sat on the toilet, looked at the charts. I'm like, all right, when I get back in my room, I'm about to make that trade. About to make that trade. So yeah, I made the trade on the toilet. Looked up, because it was taking a little bit of time. No, really looked up Trading View on my phone. Was like, all right, I'm about to make this trade. I'm about to buy it. Bought it, and I was like, okay, now I'm gonna chill. So then I just went and made my little video for the day. Edited the video. Went out, got some food, came back, ate, watched some YouTube. 4 hours later, 2 hour, however many hours that is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. What, 4 hours later? Yeah, 4 hours later, just sold it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, but trades it doesn't always go like that when you're trading. So definitely want to be careful. Like you can lose a lot of money trading, and I've lost a lot of money trading, but never again. GL Clothing says for me, they range from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., then 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Yep, and then later 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Yeah, I've just learned to I just go with the flow. So if things are moving, I'm in the market. I'm in there. If they're moving, I'm in there. So yeah, for me, it doesn't really matter. Just so as long as I see movement, but I always see a lot of movement around 8 p.m. Like here, 8 p.m. to 11, it was moving, and it was still moving a lot to the downside, and it's still moving a lot after that. But yeah, once you get to like midnight, yeah, it starts to slow down.